Dear students, welcome to the WeBWorK instructional video. This video starts with the assumption that your instructor has already created the course and has provided you with your login information. This is an example of what that page might look like. After clicking on the link, you can log in with the credentials provided by the instructor. And then you'll be directed to the home page, where you can see the homework sets available, the user settings, where you should change your password to something that you decide, and the grades for each of the homeworks. Let's check homework 1. So now we can see the home page of this homework set, where we can see the amount of problems in the homework set, the status we have, how many remainings attempt we have, and it's even possible to see by clicking on this link, it's a list of the functions available in WeBWorK that is able to understand. So we have like addition, subtraction, and there's also some notation stuff like cosine and tangent and how to express this so that WeBWorK is able to understand. If we look at the first problem, for example, we can see the general layout of the problem where you can input the answer in here. So in this case, let's try just x squared. And what is unique to WeBWorK is that you can click this preview my answer box and it'll show you what WeBWorK understands as your answer before submitting it. So in this case, we put in this text x hyphen 2, which WeBWorK understands as x squared. So now that we know that this is the correct notation, we can then click submit answers, which will then submit the final answer. Make sure to pay attention that after submitting an answer, you lose one attempt, and this is kept track with the line that says you have this amount of attempts remaining. After having solved this problem, we can then click next problem and continue onward with the homework set until we've reached the last one. And then it saves automatically and you can go back and check your status, and then that's it. Now we're going to look into a separate situation in which this homework set number 3 has been closed and the answers have recently become available. So this is a function that your instructor can allow, in which once the homework has been due and it's no longer allowed to edit the submissions, you can go back and see the correct answers. So if we click on the homework set here, and on problem 1, for example, we can then click this box, show correct answers, and then click check answers. And in this case, we'll just be shown the correct answer that should have been accepted. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, you can just let your instructor know.